Hey friends, today I'm going to demonstrate a quick uh, today I'm going to demonstrate about how to import or load data from Windows flat file what I have to that Snowflake table. Okay, so it's easy and pretty much simple steps. So to demonstrate these steps, like what I'm doing, I'm just creating a database, one demo database. By default it will be with the public schema. Then I'm going to create one customer table which has 3 columns like ID, name, and email. Then the third step, I'm going to create an internal stage. So basically it's like a landing zone or uh, landing zone, we can call it, right? Like any stage environment, like what we'll do basically the raw data, right? Like to load the landing zone, we'll consider. So that is a placeholder. So once that is created, then we'll create a flat file template or file format. Okay, so inside that database, so that it can be reused like many times with a different format, flat file, say if you want to use it. Okay, that's the thing. And finally we'll upload that file from the Windows OS, like already we have under the directory d for drive exercise folder customers.csv. already I have it. And finally I'm going to execute a load command to finish the thing. Then we can verify the loaded data is successfully available in that table. Okay, let us quickly jump into Snowflake. Already have connected, so I'm going to open new SQL here. Okay, I'm going to create database demo underscore db. So the database I'm creating, so database successfully created. So if I go back to the next command, like next one is creating the table, customers table, which has 3 columns. Okay, the table also got created. Then the next step, as I mentioned, like we are going to create a stage area. Okay, landing zone. Okay, so for that, like let us try to understand whether the stage is already there. So there is no stage available. You can see the results. So we are going to execute create stage command. So if you see here, it will be with the database what we created and the schema, and followed by the stage table area. Okay, the stage also got created. Now then the next thing is, like I mentioned, the CSV format. So the CSV format also got created. Now the next step is you have to navigate data uploading into stage, correct? Like how to do that. Like for that reason, what I'm going to do is, like there is an option called add data is there. Here click add data. Then from here you can select load files into stage, correct? Like you can select here, and down under you see that select database schema on stage option. So here the database which what we have created, you can select demo underscore db and public schema, and select the stage which we created. It will appear. So here then you can drag the file what you want it. Like I mentioned, I have a sample file called customers.csv. I've selected that file and I'm clicking upload. Okay, the file got successfully uploaded. This is the confirmation we got it now. Now let's go back to the SQL file working area section. Okay, okay, so so now the file format which we created, and we have loaded the file, correct? Then the last step, the step number 6, to copy the data from the stage to the actual table, correct? Like this is the command. Like if you see here, copy into that the Snowflake table here called customers. From the stage, already we have uploaded the file, right, from the Windows folder to here. So then the file format, like you can use it, is equal to CSV underscore format. Okay, simply because this is the format we have created, correct, as a standard template for reusability for any flat file. So now successfully the two records inside the customer.csv which is there in the stage area been referred and loaded into the table. Now final step of verification. Okay, so this is about loading the data, and similarly how to unload the data now, like from the table to put it back to the stage area, how to do that. For that reason, like what you're going to do is like unloading the data, it's almost similar. For that, what you're going to do is copy into, so before to that we copy into table we given right here. Instead of that, now copy into staging area, and I'm giving the file name as export.csv, and from table we are reading it, and here we can give the same CSV format what we have created, correct? So if you do that, okay, two files have been exported from table to the staging area. We have created a new file. Okay, so this is step one. And now how to confirm the file have been exported successfully, right? To confirm that, what you need to do is go to Database Explorer here in the under the catalog and expand the demo DB and go to the public schema where we have, and under that we have the stage, correct? Like now here one more thing is like you need to enable the directory table very first time. So you can see this is the file we exported now. Okay, this is the original file we loaded for loading purpose, we loaded, but this is the file we exported. But now this time what will happen with the extension of gz, it will be there. You can download it clicking the three dots in the right hand side corner, hover it like and click the download button to download locally, so you can see the download option. Okay, so this is how like you can load the data into table and unload the data into back to your D drive okay. So hope this video really helpful how to read the data from local OS to staging area and staging area to table, and similarly unloading like from table to staging area, from staging area to local. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. If there is any question, please feel free to reach me out. Thank you. Bye.